After exercise, the body enters a unique biological state, an open window where cellular sensitivity, nutrient absorption, and internal signaling are heightened. This window is often discussed in terms of muscle recovery and glycogen replenishment, but it also represents a prime opportunity for autophagy to flourish. Physical exertion, particularly of the intense or endurance variety, stimulates autophagy across multiple tissues, including skeletal muscle, liver, heart, and brain. This is part of the body's adaptive response to stress, clearing out damaged mitochondria, breaking down misfolded proteins, and setting the stage for renewed strength, endurance, and metabolic resilience. However, how we feed the body in this delicate post-exercise period can either support or short-circuit this cellular rejuvenation. Carbohydrates consumed immediately after exercise are well known for their ability to rapidly replenish glycogen stores, essential for repeated performance and recovery. But this quick refueling comes at a subtle cost. It blunts the very stress signals that trigger and sustain autophagy. When glucose floods the bloodstream post-workout, insulin rises to shuttle it into muscles and liver. While this is beneficial for energy restoration, insulin is also a potent inhibitor of autophagy. It flips the metabolic switch from cleanup and conserve to build and store. As a result, autophagic processes initiated during the workout are prematurely dialed down before they've completed their full cycle of cellular maintenance. This doesn't mean post-exercise carbohydrates are bad. They're simply a matter of timing. Waiting 60 to 120 minutes after training before consuming a carb-rich meal allows autophagy to continue operating during this brief recovery phase. During this time, AMPK remains elevated, mTOR remains suppressed, and cells can complete their recycling tasks without being interrupted by an insulin surge. It's a window where the body is still in a catabolic, breakdown and cleanup mode, and honoring that space can enhance mitochondrial renewal, reduce inflammation, and ultimately improve metabolic function over the long term. This delay in carbohydrate consumption can be particularly beneficial for those training in a fasted state or those aiming to improve insulin sensitivity, body composition, or longevity. By giving the body more time in the autophagy permissive zone, we encourage deeper cellular repair. Mitochondrial turnover improves, oxidative stress decreases, and tissue-specific autophagy in the heart and liver may be amplified, all of which are linked to better long-term health outcomes. The strategy becomes a gentle blend of performance and regeneration, where neither is sacrificed, but each is allowed to occur at its optimal time. Of course, this recommendation is not one-size-fits-all. Athletes in high-volume training or individuals with immediate caloric demands may need faster refueling to prevent overtraining and hormonal disruption. But for most recreational exercisers and those interested in longevity, waiting an hour or so before reintroducing carbohydrates, especially fast-acting ones, provides a powerful opportunity to let the exercise-induced autophagy cascade run its course. During this period, hydration, electrolytes, and light protein intake can help support recovery without shutting down cellular cleanup prematurely. In this context, timing becomes a tool for metabolic precision. Rather than thinking of post-workout nutrition solely in terms of muscle and energy, we begin to see it as part of a broader physiological rhythm, a chance to balance performance with longevity, growth with refinement. By letting the body finish its internal housekeeping before restocking the pantry, we create a recovery process that's not just about looking stronger, but functioning better, deeper, and longer.